Hello, retail traders. Today we're going to talk about Tesla. Welcome to the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where we talk about chart patterns, candlesticks, and moving averages. Please subscribe and ring that bell for future blogs, and you'll be notified. Plus, if you like it, hit that like button. But we're going to go ahead and go right into Tesla. Well, first thing I like to do is just look at the chart and get an idea of where maybe we're at a pivot point or a support level, just looking at it. Then I check out the website. I already know about Tesla. I've been trading it for a very long time. And then I like to go and look at the headlines. And I always get mixed feelings when I'm looking at headlines when I'm trading Tesla. You know, like Neuralink, show and tell, delayed for a month. We got Elon Musk gloomy on the prediction of the economy. 3 stocks that are screaming a buy right now after a split. GOOG, Google. We got PAWN, and then we also have Tesla on the list. So that's one thing they're looking at. The fat cats are. It is in the S&P and been upgraded. So General Motors to take on Tesla in the new EV energy venture. So what are they getting out of the auto industry now? Being a copycat of Tesla. Tesla stock versus buying stock. So there you go on that one there. Tesla profits soar, but the stock falls after third quarter earnings. Then just keeps on going with the headlines. So I like the fact, though, that I think I've been watching it, and it's been kind of holding the bottom here, and we're going to pull up the chart. And I'm going to show you what I see on the chart. This here Tesla chart right here. This is my RSI one that I use. Definitely bottoming down here at the RSI, where it likes to have a little bit of reverse. We had one right here a little bit, and then another good one right up in through here. So the RSI is looking good right now. And then we got this here spinning top. That's a bullish spinning top candle. Now there's bullish and bearish ones. A bullish one is when the price closes up at the top of the body of that candle right here. For example, bullish spinning top, when the closing price closes above the body of the candle and the opening price is at the bottom of the candle. Just the opposite with a bearish spinning top, where the opening price is at the top of the candle and then on the body, and then the closing price is down at the bottom of the candle. But it also depends about being in the now, and other things go into that. You just can't go off that candle alone. But that's definitely a spinning top to the bullish side. So we're going to draw some trend lines on this here trade. If you look at the yearly chart, we are definitely at a pivot point area, and it could drop down a little bit more, just under $200 if it wanted to, and find a real solid support down here right around the 194 area, 193. So I'm definitely going to draw a trend line right there, just to have it on here, right about in there, right around 193, 194. So that's a low possibility if it does pull back under $200. So on the candles alone, we definitely have had a pretty good monthly sell-off, and then we ended up last week with a spinning top to the upside, which means I think we could hit the bottom of this candle right here, of this huge crow. So I'm going to draw me a little price line right there. Make sure it sticks out here far enough, right around the 222.50 area. And that used to be my old support for about a week, and then now it dropped. So then it established a new support right down here at the bottom of this candle. That's going to be your low support. That's right around the 203, 204 area. Right around 204.78, 204.50. Anything below that, definitely when you get down below 200, you could drop another $8 and it might drop right around 193, 194. But for right now, this is going to be our old support will now become our See, it was a support level down through here too. Support level right down through here too. And it held up and bounced up to about, 300. Now she's come back down. So I'm definitely interested in this stock right now. If it holds this 204.78, there's a pivot point in between here, and it's going to be the top of this candle right here. And I'm going to just magnify that up a little bit so I can get it in there. And that's going to be right at, try to get as close as I can, 214.50. 213, between 213 and 214 is what I've been calling. Called a pullback to around 214, 213 when we were up here at the top, and we broke down below that 222 area. So we're going to look at it like this. If we come in Monday and it holds that 204.78, 203 area, I'll run it back up to 213. And then if that breaks resistance, we'll take it to 222.48. And it gets any kind of news, anything hopping on this thing, had a positive week in the news department, it could run up higher. If not, we just got to make sure that we hold that 203.04. If it drops below 200, I'd look for 193. And that's Tesla. I really like trading this stock, and I'm starting to feel in the mood again. Definitely after seeing this spinning top on the weekly time frame. And that's it. Sneaky snake trading strategy. We'll see you Monday and see how this thing opens up Monday morning.